Ngeba Sochola here. Now, I personally think industrial hemp is one of the most potent agents that South Africa can use to industrialize the country, to basically deal with the poverty, the inequality, and the unemployment in the country, right? Industrial hemp produces over 60,000 industrial products, right? That can be basically produced from industrial hemp, right? So basically, this means a lot of jobs and decreasing in unemployment and an improvement in inequality, right? So now you need to subject the industrial hemp to a number of processes, right? The first process is the separation process. This stage is where the industrial hemp is separated into the stalk and the seed, right? Now, when you take the stalk and subject it to a second layer processing, which is known as decortification, right? You produce products known as the hud and fiber. Basically, hemp hud and hemp fiber, right? Now, when you take the seed, right, and first subject it to a pressing or a crushing process, basically taking the seed and squeezing the oil out to produce hemp oil, right? Now, the shells and the remains is known as hemp cake, which also can be used to produce certain products, right? Now, you can also subject the seed to a process known as hulling. So basically, you produce two products known as uh, uh, the meat, hemp meat, right? And then hemp shell. Now, when you have all of these five products, right? Hemp fiber, hemp hud, hemp oil, hemp cake, hemp um, hemp meat, and hemp shell, right? You can literally produce over 60,000 industrial products with all of these. You can produce products in a number of industries. For examples, you can produce biofuels, you can produce cosmetics, you can produce animal feed, you can produce food, they can produce bread, you can produce flour from this, right? You can produce building materials known as hempcrete, right? You can produce how we can produce bioplastics to replace the current destructive plastics from petroleum oil, right? So with these five basic processed products, we can basically industrialize South Africa and deal with the backlog in the jobs, in poverty, and mostly in inequality. So I see the industrial hemp plant as a great agent to actually bring us closer to the ideal South Africa that we want as a country. Thank you for this opportunity. I'll see you in the next video.